My block heater cord broke because I forgot to unplug it before driving the vehicle away, so I'm going to fix the broken wire in this video. First, I will cut the wire with scissors like this so I can have the even ends. As you can see, there are 3 wires and one of them is green. The new cord I will be using has only 2 wires, so I will ignore the green wire. Using a plier, I'm going to strip both ends of the wire. A wire stripper would be easier for this job. Once I have both ends stripped, I will take the new wire and strip its end. I will now join the 2 wires together and use electric tape to hide the joint. I will make sure the 2 ends of the stripped wires do not touch each other. It is best to join one side of the wire, tape it, then join the other end and tape it. If you do not feel comfortable working with electricity, please do not perform this fix as this can be dangerous. If your new cord has 3 wires, then join the green wire from the broken cord to the green wire in the new cord and tape it. In this case, all 3 joints must be taped separately. Now when I have joined the 2 cords together, I will tie the cord so it is not too long to touch the ground and it does not come in contact with any hard surface of the vehicle. Also, it does not make any contact with the radiator fan. I used cable tie to secure the cord. The cord is now secure and not too long to touch the ground. It's time to plug in as it is minus 30 degrees centigrade here. Thanks for watching.